AWS Elastic Beanstalk failed to install Python package using requirements.txt Git Pip. I tried to deploy a Flask app on AWS Elastic Beanstalk using ebdeploy but failed. I have the requirements.txt under the app directory. And python.config file under .eb extensions directory. The error message is info, environment update is starting.info, deploying new version to instance 's.error, your requirements.txt is invalid. Snapshot your logs for details.error, instance, io3e92 fa3c58b6e010, command failed on instance. Return code, 1 output, truncated, file break time equals 1s, greater than line 541, and check underscore call race calib process error recode, cmd calib process error, command break time equals 1s, greater than installer break time equals 1s, greater than text return non-zero exit status 2. Hook break time equals 1s, greater than failed. For more detail, check /var/log/ebactivity.log using console or ebcli.info, command execution completed on all instances. Summary: successful, 0, failed, 1. Error: unsuccessful command execution on instances io3e92 fa3c58b6e010. Aborting the operation. Error: failed to deploy application. And /var/log/ebactivity.log shows file break time equals 1s, greater than line 541, and check underscore call race calib process error recode, cmd calib process error, command break time equals 1s, greater than installer break time equals 1s, greater than ts.txt return non-zero exit status 2, executor : non-zero exit status. It seems like this issue is because of the eGit Plus installation is not supported by AWS Elastic Beanstalk.
The problem has been resolved. It was not because of installation of PIDE. The actual reason was that installation of SciPy requires 40 MB memory and the default EC2 instance, t1.micro, doesn't have enough memory to install it. It can be resolved by using a larger EC2 instance. I eventually go with t2.medium. Also, to install pandas, it requires GCC. I modified .eb extensions \n_name.config file with this. I'm using Python 2.7 from Elastic Beanstalk GCC and Python Devil installation.
This helped me. I was able to fix this by adding enum34 == 1.1.8 to pipeproject.toml. Apparently enum34 had a feature in v1.1.8 that avoided this error, but this regressed in v1.1.9+. This is just a workaround though. The better solution would be for packages to use environment markers so you don't have to install enum34 at all unless needed. Source: this URL. I created a file called o2_upgrade_pip.config in the eb extensions folder to upgrade pip and install that specific version of enum34 every time a new instance is launched. code2_upgrade_pip.config.
You can try an alternate way of adding pipe to requirements.